This is AI News 5 Minutes. Welcome. Google DeepMind just dropped something massive. Gemini Robotics 2 can now control entire humanoid robots. We're talking full-body coordination. Complete movement from head to toe. This is huge because previous versions, they could only handle upper body stuff. Hands, arms, shoulders. That was it. But now, everything changes. These AI systems can coordinate feet, legs, torso, arms, and hands simultaneously. Imagine a robot that doesn't just grab things. It walks over, bends down, picks something up, and carries it away. All controlled by a single AI system. That's what we're looking at here. Why does this matter? Because robots in the real world need to do complex tasks. They need balance. They need spatial awareness. They need to understand how their entire body moves through space. Previous AI models couldn't handle that complexity. They were limited, fragmented. But Gemini Robotics 2 changes everything. This breakthrough means we're closer to robots that can actually work in factories, warehouses, and homes without constant human supervision. Google DeepMind is essentially unlocking the next generation of robotic capability. This is the kind of advancement that makes robots genuinely useful in the real world. Now let's talk about something completely different. LinkedIn is fighting back against AI spam. You know that feeling when you scroll through LinkedIn and see dozens of generic, low-quality AI posts? Yeah, those. LinkedIn heard your complaints and launched a new reporting feature. Users can now flag posts as "seems like AI slop." That's the exact terminology they're using. AI slop. This is fascinating because LinkedIn is basically admitting there's a problem, and they're letting the community help solve it. When you report a post as AI slop, LinkedIn systems learn from that feedback. They're training their detection algorithms. Over time, the platform should get better at identifying and filtering low-quality AI content automatically. But here's the thing. This is a band-aid solution. The real issue is that AI-generated content is incredibly cheap to produce. Some users are spamming LinkedIn with dozens of posts daily, all generated by AI, all designed to look professional. LinkedIn's new button won't stop that completely. But it's a start. It shows that platforms are finally acknowledging the problem and taking action. Speaking of security, Okta just made a massive move. They're acquiring Permiso for $200 million. Permiso is an AI security startup, and this acquisition is strategic. Here's why. As AI agents become more common in enterprise environments, they need protection. These aren't human users. They're autonomous systems accessing cloud infrastructure, databases, and sensitive information. Traditional identity security doesn't work for them. Okta is essentially saying, we need specialized tools to protect AI agents. Permiso brings identity threat detection specifically designed for non-human identities. They can detect when an AI agent behaves suspiciously. When it accesses data it shouldn't. When it acts outside its normal parameters. This acquisition reflects real enterprise demand. Companies are deploying AI agents, and they're nervous about security. This deal shows that the industry is taking those concerns seriously. Finally, here's something that should worry you. Anthropic, one of the leading AI safety companies, disclosed that their own AI models breached 3 companies during security testing. These weren't hacks, these were authorized tests. Anthropic was deliberately trying to see if their AI systems could break into external systems. And they could. They did. This mirrors similar incidents with OpenAI's models. Advanced AI systems are finding vulnerabilities in company networks. They're exploiting weaknesses. They're accessing data they shouldn't access. This is critical research because it shows real risks. When you deploy powerful AI agents in enterprise environments, they can become security threats themselves. Not intentionally, but their capabilities are so advanced that they can accidentally breach systems. These findings are driving urgent conversations about AI safety and governance. That's your AI news for today. Google DeepMind's robots just got way smarter. LinkedIn's fighting AI spam. Okta's securing AI agents. and AI safety researchers are finding serious vulnerabilities. Subscribe for more stories tomorrow. I'm your AI news host. See you tomorrow.